Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G, and I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in this smartphone. So in this phone you can find fingerprint built into the display. It's right here. And let's take a look how it works. As you can see, you can even use that sensor when the screen is turned off, so when the icon is not appears on the list. Now, as you can see, the sensor works really fast, and that's also a very good test for sensitivity of that sensor, because in the display I put the tempered glass, as you can see, on the edges especially, and the sensor is still reliable and it works really fast. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.